Hey everyone, here I am come back with some interesting, amazing online courses. Today I'll tell about the some full stack web development courses that are online or they are free also and paid also. You can go for both also or you can go for one for also. And subscribe our channel CourseAvatar for more update related to the online courses. Click on the bell icon to get always updated whenever I upload the video. Let's Anyway, let's start it. Our first course is a complete full stack JavaScript course that's on Udemy. And in this course, we covered the topics like Node.js, JavaScript, React, Redux, Material, UI, Loopback.js. And why should you take this course? You will learn about the REST APIs with Loopback.js and stock programming and Redux. You will learn how front end and back end communicate with each other. And this course is taken by anyone who is a beginner or intermediate level or who is a web developer can also take this course who wants to fully understand the JavaScript but before learning this course you just have a basic knowledge of the JavaScript, CSS and HTML, the basic knowledge of these languages. If you want to learn it and you have knowledge of these three languages, basic knowledge, then definitely go for this course. Check out the link given below.
So our next course is a full stack web development with React specialization course. This course is provided by the Coursera, and in this course you're gonna cover these topics like Node.js, React, MongoDB, authentications, and you will learn about the MongoDB to deploy the NoSQL databases. You will learn how to work with the Express framework and Node.js. In this course can taken by anyone, and the learners who know have the previous knowledge about the css and html and javascript can also go for this course. If you are interested in this, then go and check out the link given below. So our third course is the Ultimate Full Stack Web Development Bootcamp course. It's on the Udemy, and after taking this course, you will become a full stack web developer. In this course, you're gonna cover all the basic topics and some intermediate level topics like JavaScript, HTML, Bootstrap, Python, CSS, and you're gonna learn how to create an engaging website equally using Bootstrap. You will learn about the modern frame workflow of using Git and GitHub. You will learn how to alter your text editor just like a professional. After this course, you would become expert in front end development using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And it is for the people who wish or who wants to create their own applications or own websites or own apps, or for someone else also they can go for this course. And this course can taken by the also by the experienced people programmers who wants to get a quick guide framework like Python. And if you are interested in, then go and check out the link given below. Now here are the fourth course is provided by the Coursera. It's a full stack web development with Angular specialization course, and here you're gonna learn about some new topics like Bootstrap, jQuery, TypeScript, authentications, Angular JS. Also, you're gonna learn about the client side web UI frameworks. You will learn to use a single code base to create a mobile application that can function on the various platforms. You learn to use Angular Flex layouts and Angular materials or UI designs. You will learn use MongoDB to deploy the NoSQL databases. And this course is for the learners who know have a previous knowledge or previous experience in HTML or CSS and JavaScript. Then definitely go for this course, and you're gonna learn some new things like Angular and Flex also. Check out the link given below in the description box. So our fifth one course is provided by the Udemy, and this course is about the full stack web development with C hashtag OOP, MS SQL, and ASP.NET. Here you gonna cover learn the new topics like the hashtag SQL and ASP.NET. You learn about how to learn to implement the OOP concepts with C hashtag. You learn the basic of CSQL along with SQL. server management studios, and you will learn SQL transactions and commands. You will learn to use data transfer objects such as temp data, view data, and view back data. This course is for the people who wish to learn full stack development with other concepts like hashtag ASP.NET and VCSQL and many more things. If you want to learn become a full stack developer with some other concepts, then go and check out the link given below. So our last two courses are the free courses. The first one is it's on the YouTube channel. The channel name is a Code Dam. Its course is a full web development course. You learn the full stack web development from the scratch, and the topics are the HTML, CSS, Node.js, Nest.js, and React. Also, you will learn how about the React queries used on the net requests, and you will learn about the GitHub actions and CI/CDs. You will learn the ins and outs of CSS and HTML along with the functions. This course is for the especially for the beginners. It's the best course for the beginners who wants to become a web developer or want to learn the web development from the beginning. Then definitely go for this course. Check out the link given below. So here are the last course is the full stack web development course for the beginners. This is on the Simply Learn. It's on a learning website, or you can use its learning app also. Here you're gonna learn topic like Git commands, Angular, Node.js, Seleniums, and you're gonna learn about the concepts of Angular, Node.js, and many more things. You learn about the MySQL basics also. This is a course for the programmers or software developers also. It's also for the freshers in the web development side, and it's so good for the beginners also to start their web development career. So go and check out the link given below. So here all the courses are ended, and the links of the all the courses are links given in the description box. Make sure you go and check out at that, and for which course you're gonna enroll yourself, comment it that also, and click on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get updated more about the online courses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, all of you.